Hey y'all, Pam here with Be Creative Crafts and welcome back. So y'all, today I'm going to show you how to make an AI short using the YouTube app right from your phone. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up the YouTube app. Now I am using an iPhone. I think it's fairly similar, if not the same on Android, but this is using iPhone. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to open up our YouTube app. So just give that a little tap. Down here at the bottom, let me zoom you down because sorry for the glare. Let me see if I can tip you up. There we go. Okay. There we go. Okay, so you're going to click the little plus sign right here at the bottom of your screen. So tap that little plus. Okay, now there's my ceiling fan. It's going to open up this little slide bar down here. Let me zoom you back again. Okay, so it's going to give you this. So you're going to have video, short, live, post. You want it to be on the one that says short. And then right here, let me set y'all back down. Okay, right here on the side here, you have a menu. You have all these different options. But what you're going to do is you're going to go right here, and you're going to click this little down arrow right here. That's going to open up more menu options. Okay, and what you're going to want to hit, you're going to hit this one here that says green screen. That is the one that you want. So tap green screen, and then it's going to bring up the green screen. Now down here at the bottom, you want to click this first little box here, this little, well, not the first one. The first one is nothingness. You want to click the second one, this little pink one, this one here that's pink and orange with a little star in the center of it. This one here, you want to tap that one right there. So give that one a little tap. Okay, zoom you back. And that brings up this screen here. Okay, so here's what you do. You type in what you're wanting to create. Be as descriptive as you want to be. Okay, so let's say, what do we want to make? I don't know. Let's go with a mummy, Frankenstein, and a witch crocheting and playing with yarn. I have no idea. Let's see what that comes up with. Okay, so we've got our description. Okay, then you're going to choose your style. So you have none, then you have vintage, anime, clay, airbrush, digital, acrylic, polygon, pixel, watercolor, and pastel. Choose the one you want. Let's go with, I like polygon. That tends to be where I go to just because I just think it's kind of cute looking. Okay, so we're going to go polygon. And then you're going to click create. And then you're going to wait for it to do its thing. It has to think because I've given it a lot to think about. So it's generating. Then it's going to give you these images. Usually it gives you 4 images, but apparently I gave it too much description, so it gave me 2 images. Okay, so I'm going to click this one because I think it's really cute. Normally, like I said, you get 4. I'll insert a thing here. And then it's going to give you 4 images, okay? At the end, you can pick whichever one you want. I like the images better on the first one. Try again. Sometimes if you hit try again, it'll give you the images back from the first go around. Okay, so then you tap on it. Oh, she's missing an arm. Then you're going to say, okay, so if you say use image, that creates your new green screen image. So if you want this to be behind you while you're in the video, that's what it's going to be. Okay, but I want to make a video. So I'm going to hit create video, which is this one here. Boop. And then it's going to generate a video for me. It's going to take it a little bit of time. It's going to think about it, and I'm going to let it do its thing. Be right back. Okay, we're at 99%. Okay, and so there is my video. Look, she is throwing the yarn up in the air, and they're playing, and it creates the video for you, okay? So we're going to use that one, and then we're going to say continue. Now you can say try again. It will regenerate and create a different video for you. Have the same, using the same image, but they'll be doing something different. Okay, so we're going to say continue. All right, now here is where you can change it up. So if you want it to be longer or all that kind of stuff, you can add stuff over here to the right. I'm just going to leave this one as is, except for I am going to add sound. So up here at the very top, we're going to tap on add sound. Now you can, if you have a specific sound that you want it to use, okay, I know it's blowing it out and y'all can't see it real well, but we're going to hit search and then we're going to type in, we're going to say Monster Mash because I think that would be a fun song to go with this particular one. And there are several different ones to choose from. I'm just going to go with this very first one. Then we're going to hit this little blue arrow, boop, and then it's going to add that song to the video. Okay, so right down here, you're going to hit your little red button and you're going to hold it. And that's going to play it for, I think it starts out with 8 seconds. So we're just going to press this button and hold it down.
Okay, so I muted the song part right here, but y'all, this will do so many other things, so many features that I'm not showing you. I just want to give you a general overview.
Ta-da! Now, I think we're going to try it. I think if I hit it again, it will continue on for the rest of the 15 seconds, but let's just see.
So you just continue to hold that button down and it's going to add the song to the rest of your video. Now, if you don't like where the song is at, like say you want it to start at the beginning of the song versus the middle of the song, just tap the song again. It's going to bring up this slide bar and then you can slide it back and forth to get it to the point of the song that you want to be in your video. So just continue moving it around until you find the part that you want it to do. Now I do have it muted, but you will be able to hear the song on your device and then just click done.
So now we're going to hit next. And it's going to process and do its thing. Okay, now let me zoom you back down here. Boop, boop. Scooch over here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to pick our thumbnail. So click the little pencil here to edit our thumbnail. Zoom it back out. And then you're going to get this down here at the bottom where you can drag, whoops, too far. Drag it across and then you, wherever you stop it at, that's going to be your thumbnail. So we need her to have both arms for our thumbnail. Let's see here. Let's go with right here. We're going to let that one be our thumbnail. And over here, you can change it up. You can add some text. You can't see that. Sorry, y'all. Right here, you just tap on the little capital and lowercase a. So you can tap these. You have 2 little menu options here. I'm just going to leave it as is for this particular one. And then up here in the right corner, you're going to click the little check mark. That's going to save that as our thumbnail. I know it's blowing it out, y'all. There's nothing I can do about it. I'm sorry. I tried turning the lights off and it just made the screen completely white. Okay.
I didn't think about it till right now.
Down.
I
Maybe
might have changed my phone setting from light to dark.
Not. Okay, right there. You can see. So you just type in whatever, where it says title, type in what you want it to say. I know y'all can't see that. These are all your options of your typical shorts. So just name it whatever you want. Okay, so let me name this one. What do we want to name this one? We'll just name it Monster Mash, since that's what Monster Mash Crochet Party. Okay.
Then I just click down here on my name so that I can get my upload button back.
Tap out of here, down here where it says upload short. You're going to tap that right there. Boop. And then it's going to do its thing. Usually it shows me right here that it's doing it, so I guess I just left that one sitting too long and it's already done its thing. Okay, so let's go to my videos. There we go. Uploading video. There we go. It says it's processing. When it's done, then you can watch it. I always upload mine as private. That way I can go back in and change it up if I want to. There we go. So there it is. So there's the one we just created.
Okay, so let me go back and show you a few things that I skipped over when I redid the video. Okay, so you select your video, and then there it is generating it, creating the video. Okay, so say you don't like the way this video looks and you want to try it again using the same image. All you have to do is click the little button in the lower left corner there and say try again, and then it's going to regenerate the video using that same image, but it's going to have them doing something a little different. So now in this video, you'll see that the cat is now throwing the yarn up in the air and playing with it. So it just uses the same image. It just does a little different. Now, maybe you don't like this one at all. So in the upper left corner here, up where it says your background, just hit that back arrow, hit it again, and that's going to take you back to your images. So you can select one of the other images, or you can go back all the way to the beginning and create a different style using the same description. All right, I hope this was helpful. Okay, let me show y'all one more thing. When I said before, it normally shows me in another spot. When I click upload, it usually shows it to me right there. So that's all I meant by that. Apparently, sometimes it does, and sometimes it doesn't.
All right, y'all. And that's it. That's how you create an AI short
In the YouTube mobile app.
I hope y'all have a fantastic day. Remember, be creative. And until next time, happy crafting. Bye.